What's up, guys? Welcome back to another interesting chess puzzle, but this time we are including the Nelson bot on chess.com, and actually I'm going to see if Nelson can solve this chess puzzle. So if you don't know, the Nelson bot on chess.com, by the way, it's not named after me, just happens to be named Nelson, but this bot likes to use its queen, attack you early on, try to go for some quick checkmates. A lot of people find Nelson kind of annoying to play against. Anyway, we're going to test Nelson's endgame knowledge. So this position, it's white to play and win. Okay, it's an interesting puzzle. If you'd like to pause and try to figure that out on your own, go ahead and do that now. But in just a second here, I'm going to see if Nelson, the Nelson bot, can solve this puzzle. Okay, so I've set it up to where I'm playing as black from this position. Nelson's going to have the first move, and we're going to see if he can solve this puzzle. So let's go ahead and see what Nelson would do, and then we'll talk about the solution, unless, of course, he finds the solution. So if you guys are ready, you've had a chance to analyze it, maybe you've come up with your solution. Let's go ahead and see what Nelson is going to do. All right, so I'm going to reset the position. Okay, he plays rook to b3 check, which is actually the correct first move. So I'm going to play the move rook to b6 and see what Nelson does. He takes it. So far he's played everything right, but it's been pretty logical. He put me in check. He took a piece. Now is going to be the real test for Nelson, because I'm going to play the move king to c7, and I'm going to be attacking, once I move here, I'm going to be attacking two pieces at the same time. Okay, and this is really the moment in the puzzle where I want to see how Nelson reacts. All right, you guys ready? King to c7. Did you see the eval bar? Did you see it? Let me just go back to show you guys. Look what it is. It's winning for white, and Nelson plays the logical move, rook here, right? He just tries to bring the rook over and defend his bishop. He missed the secret trick. But now that he's gone here, I can simply play the move king to d7, forking these guys, and once I take this, I'm going to be able to escape with the draw. Okay, this is a drawn position. Even though the rook is better, I should be able to hold this as a draw. So let's go back, and I will show you guys what Nelson did wrong. Okay, so right in this position, this was his crucial mistake. Okay, his rook's being attacked. Instead of playing rook to e6, he should have played the move, wait for it, bishop to d8 check. Look at this. It's an amazing move, but it defends the rook. Okay, so instead of losing the rook, you give up the bishop. However, after the king takes, what's white going to play now? See, Nelson doesn't get it. He plays rook over here. That's not the correct continuation. What should Nelson have played? Well, the move is rook to b8 check, attacking the bishop. So I'm going to be forced to go to e7 to defend it. And again, Nelson is not finding this one. He keeps messing up the endgame. All right, let's go back. What should Nelson have played? If you'd like to pause. King to g6. And look at this. It's a Zugzwang where I have no good moves. I don't want to move here. I don't want to move here because the king would take me. I don't want to move away because my bishop gets captured, but I have to do something. I can't pass. And regardless of what I do, I'm going to lose, right? If I go here, he takes me, and now he wins. So interesting to me that Nelson missed that. Okay, the bishop d8 was a hard move to find. But this one, I thought maybe he would have, been able to see this, right? Like king to g6. He only has a couple of options. But he decided to go for king to g8, and he missed the winning idea. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'm pretty sure we can say that Nelson was impressed by this puzzle. Hopefully, he can analyze it and learn a thing or two. All right, guys. See you next time, and let me know down below, who should we impress with the next puzzle? Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.